Hey there, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is another video for, of course, Windows 8. And today we'll talk about the Internet Explorer 10 Metro style favorites, or lack of favorites. So if you're using the new Internet Explorer 10 Metro style, which is on your start screen in Windows 8, you will first ask yourself, okay, how do I keep my websites on the Internet Explorer? There must be a favorite somewhere, favorite page, or a way to do a favorite. And the short answer to that is that unfortunately there isn't any favorites in Internet Explorer 10 Metro style. If you really enjoy favorites, like I do enjoy having the favorites, then you'll really have to use Internet Explorer 10 in desktop mode. So you'll have to go on the desktop app and click Explorer from the desktop. And so there you'll find a more regular Internet Explorer with favorites that are available. But keep in mind that the favorites in Internet Explorer 10 desktop are not transferred to the Explorer 10 Metro style. These are like two completely different web browsers, so keep that in mind. So you're thinking, okay, then if I can't put my websites, my favorite websites, in a favorite, where or how can I keep the websites that I visit? Well, what they want you to do actually is pin the websites, your favorites, to the desktop. So when you're Internet Explorer, if you go at the bottom of the screen and swipe up to get your address bar right here at the bottom, you'll notice that there's a little pin icon right there, and it says pin site. When you click on that, it will ask you to pin site or add to favorites. If you click the add to favorites, it's actually gonna add to your favorites in the desktop version of Internet Explorer 10. So that's one cool thing. There's a little something that you can do. So if a website's really cool and you want to keep it, you can click the pin icon and add to favorites, and the favorites, it's going to be stored in the favorites of the desktop Internet Explorer 10. Or else, if you want to use only the Metro style Internet Explorer, a lot of people actually like it because it is full screen, and a lot of people enjoy the fact that it's full screen. So if you want to do that, then you'll have to pin to start. You click the pin to start, and here you have the chance to see what the icon or the tile will look like, and you can even rename the tile. So if you don't want to have, for example, Google, you could say search page, for example, and just pin to start. What that means is now in my start screen, completely on the right, I'll have an icon which will be called search page, which is right here, and this is going to bring me to my favorite website. So basically what they want you to do is just take a bunch of websites, pin them to the start screen, and from there you'll just click the tiles and go to your favorite sites. And it's not bad if you only go to let's say 7, 8 or 9 or 10 websites. I know that a lot of people just go to the same 5, 6, 10 websites, and they don't really do anything more. And for people that actually just view a few pages, I think it's going to be okay. But if you're like me and you have literally hundreds of favorites, well, you're already thinking, I'm sorry, I can't pin 300 websites to my start page, and that would be a little stupid, I must admit. So what you want to do is actually go to the desktop version of Internet Explorer and use the desktop version. The desktop version, when you look at it, has that little favorite star right there at the upper right of the screen, or if you right click to get the sorry, if you click, you'll see that there's the left side also. If you don't see the bars right here, the left, you have the little star here where you can actually add to the favorites toolbar. But you can also bring, if you right click, the menu bar and have your favorites right there at the top, like in the old versions of Internet Explorer 10. So and you can see here our pinned favorite from Internet Explorer Metro that came to here. So a power user will likely use the Internet Explorer 10 in the desktop version. It will be one of the only ways that you'll actually have a favorite folder available. And if you only have a few websites, then you can actually do what we said, pin the websites to the start screen. Sorry. If you enjoy these videos, if you want to learn more about Windows 8, maybe you have that new computer and just want to understand how it works, click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You'll be informed of all the videos we put online. And if you have any comments or questions about what you've seen, let us know, and we will try to put a video online. If you have a topic you want to see reviewed or looked at, we will put a video for you. So thanks for watching, and hope you come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye-bye.